What's up, adventurers, and welcome to the next video. Today we take you along as we spend some time in Mackinaw City, Michigan and visit the Mackinaw Icebreaker Museum.
Be sure to stick around to the end to find out who we got to meet while they were in town.
Our first stop took us to Strait State Harbor. I was wanting to check out a spot to maybe get a line in the water later in the week to do a little fishing.
While we were at the pier, we saw the Starline Ferry pirate ship on its way from Mackinac Island.
From there, we headed over next door to the USCGC Mackinaw Icebreaker Museum, located at the SS Chief Wattatom Dock in downtown Mackinaw City, so Lori and Maddie can tour the ship.
Icebreaker Mackinaw. She was in service for 62 years, commissioned in 1944, and decommissioned in 2006. The tour is self-paced, so take your time and have fun. Don't go past the light bulb or anything like that.
Visitors can tour the massive deck, the captain's quarters, the sick bay, and more.
Doesn't matter weak or strong. Take your time and do your tricks. All I do is sing along.
Be aware the ship contains confined spaces, open decking, and steep ladders, so it's recommended that you wear closed-toe shoes and do not carry any large bags or purses.
Love is gonna set me free.
The ship's home port was located in Sheboygan, Michigan during years of active service.
Due to the Mackinaw's age and expensive upkeep, she was decommissioned in 2006 and replaced with a multi-purpose cutter.
Used to be anonymous. Now the world has seen your face. Living life is dangerous, but there's a map for every maze. Yeah, you can be a bird. Tell the stories you have heard. And live your life today.
The ship was built during World War II. Because of the war efforts, male workers in the area were at an all-time low. The shipyard opened the hiring to women and eventually hired 100 women to work on the project.
The Charlevoix, Sheboygan, Emmett County's Public Service Communications Organization has established a full-time amateur radio station on board to provide communications coverage throughout the Straits of Mackinac area.
After visiting the Mackinaw, we headed out to visit some of the beautiful lakeshore parks.
One of the great things about visiting Mackinaw City is the multiple areas that you can view the Mackinaw Bridge and the beautiful blue waters of the Straits of Mackinac. So after killing some time, we headed over to meet up with Harold and Cindy from One Strange Adventure.
We spent several hours down at the beach, and it was like we'd known each other forever.
Oh yeah, you're getting a double rainbow now.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, it goes all the way around now.
Let's see.
You can see it over here and you can see it over here.
Amazing colors.
Yep.
Are you scared?
Wow. It's not very often you see one, let alone a whole one, and then for it to double like that.
We always enjoy our time that we spend in Mackinaw City. And you get a chance to enjoy some of these things that we show on our channel, please do. And until next time, we'll catch you in the next video.
Bye guys.
Bye guys.